Hello everyone, myself Siam Shekh. Today I am show you how to solve this error. If you see this error, operation is not support for read-only collection. Now today in this video I will learn you how to solve this error. Uh, you Here you see this is a project where the color will change automatically. This is a for loop color where in every second color will be changed, a background layout color will be changed. Well, when I am trying to build this rebuild this project, I see operation is not support for read only. This error come from Gradle here and Gradle setting. Where you come here you see experimental, and here you can see everything is check mark. Here you just need to check this first. This first will check defaultly and enable parallel gradles, this and this. Well, now I click OK and restart Android Studio. Well, this is my OBS Studio. Android Studio will restart it. Scanning file to index. Well, everything is done. Now if we try to rebuild this project again, here everything is working and started rebuilding project, and here no error come there, and don't give me any more error. Well, if you think this video is helpful, then like this video. Make sure you write a comment and subscribe this channel. Thanks.